Unit 6.
Border. Border is a noun. A border is the outer edge of an object or the line where one part ends and another begins. We crossed the border into Canada. Now you say the word border. Border. Border is a verb. To border something or someone is to be next to or near it, or to touch its edge. One city can border a number of small towns. Now you say the word border. Certain. Certain is an adjective. Certain means having no doubt or sure. I am certain I locked the door. Now you say the word certain. Certain. Clasp. Clasp is a noun. A clasp is a device that holds parts together or a strong hold. I lost the clasp to my watch. Now you say the word clasp. Clasp. Clasp is a verb. To clasp is to hook something up or to hold tightly. My younger sister likes to clasp my hand. Now you say the word clasp. Depart. Depart is a verb. To depart means to go away. I will depart for Miami soon. Now you say the word depart. Depart. Fierce. Fierce is an adjective. Fierce means violent, wild, or savage. The tiger that attacked the zookeeper was fierce. Now you say the word fierce. Fierce. Journey. Journey is a noun. A journey is a long trip, a passage from one place to another. Where did you go on your journey? Now you say the word journey. Journey. Journey is a verb. To journey is to go on a trip, to travel. We plan to journey to Egypt. Now you say the word journey. Observe. Observe is a verb. To observe is to see, to watch with close attention, or to stick to or obey. To understand how the bird gets its food, the boy must observe its movements. Now you say the word observe. Observe. Superb. Superb is an adjective. Superb means of the best quality. The acting and singing in the movie were superb. Now you say the word superb. Superb. Treasure. Treasure is a noun. A treasure is a collection of valuable objects or something that is worth a lot. The pirates guarded their treasure. Now you say the word treasure. Treasure. Treasure is a verb. To treasure is to care a great deal for something or someone. I treasure my collection of foreign coins. Now you say the word treasure. Wisdom. Wisdom is a noun. Wisdom is knowledge and good sense, especially as a result of experience. Grandparents have much wisdom about life. Now you say the word wisdom. Wisdom.